Alright, hi everyone. Hi everyone. Mic check? Yeah, okay, we're good. So I made a video in this format yesterday and it completely bombed, but uh, this is kind of the footage I have to work with. So hopefully the second time works better. I'm going to be explaining essentially my thought process in how I'm making this game, what decisions I'm making, and that sort of thing. If you didn't watch yesterday, basically we deleted half the level because it wasn't working so well. We made the collision on this triangle pyramid shaped looking thing work better. We extended this slide because you were sort of falling off, bumping off. It wasn't working, so we extended the slide. And now we're doing a bunch of other small polishing touches. So you can see here, I'm testing the level, and the you're falling for way too far, right? That just doesn't feel. It feels too long, and so that's one of the things I'm going to be working on later. Yeah, so we're testing the level, making sure it works, and yeah, you can okay. And so right here, I have not done it yet, but yellow means goal in this game, so there's supposed to be there will be something to celebrate the fact that you won the level. And so that's what it looks like to win the level from the left side on this level. So right here, I was saying earlier that the jump felt way too long. That's what this code is doing. So anytime I'm below y equals -2, it just respawns me. Right? I'm saying position, right? The position equals respawn position. So whatever this position I'm supposed to spawn at and respawn at, it just sends me there. And so we're going to be working with this code. So yeah, so you can see here that because all of these platforms are pretty high up and all of these platforms are pretty low, like this platform right here is pretty low, there's no one plane that'll work for everything. Yep. So we're gonna add another area. We're gonna add another area 3D right here. And what that area 3D is going to do is respawn us if we drop off the first little bit of the level. It'll become pretty obvious what this is supposed to be doing in just a second. Kill plane. Yeah, I promise I can type. And then we just need to resize that position and all that good stuff. And I'm doing this wrong and it's going to complain at me, but we'll figure it out. It'll yeah. So here I'm trying to make it. Oh god, this is just boring. Okay, so I skipped ahead a little bit. Basically, I'm just messing with this area 3D until it feels right, and this actually just takes a while. And so you can see here that I'm testing it. Yep. And I felt that felt a little bit too short, so I'm going to adjust it some more. And we'll sort of get that dialed in not too much time. And that's still a little too short, but it's better. But then obviously, because we have sort of the same problem, you have sort of the same problem where if I jump from over here, I'm going to fall really far. I'm going to jump, and if I jump from over here, I'll fall not so far. But I don't know. I think that if you fall from over here, since you've gotten so far, I think that it is fair to make you fall longer. Yeah, so we're testing that. So that feels about right. There's no like hard numbers here or anything, but just sort of going by feel, it feels alright. And then what I'm doing here, so this kill plane, if you manage to miss it, I don't want you to just fall forever. So this is gonna take a while because I like forget which one's which, and I like cut. Let's just skip ahead. So you can see here that there's sort of two kill planes, right? There's the big one for the bottom, and that right there. So I don't know how on earth you would manage to get out to like here and not, you know, I don't know how you get out to here at all. Like I don't know how that would happen, but this is just a contingency. I really don't know how you get out here. And the reason I'm doing the two kill planes thing, even though I could just have a, if your height is too low, I want this game to enable, I guess you'd call them like monkey ball skips basically, where if you can figure out some crazy strategy to like skip half the level, I want to enable that. And so the only way to enable that without having just a hard-coded value, because you know maybe able to level it lower or higher, like basically I just want to make sure that if you fall, you'll respawn. And the way that I'm doing that is I have this little kill plane that I think is going to cover almost everything, but just in case of this big kill plane. And then as I add more levels, I'll probably expand the big kill plane and like add more and more like little custom kill planes. And then also, like, let's say that for whatever reason you fall off here, because the kill plane like extends to here, right? And the reason for that is that this box right here is much lower than the rest of the level. You can't see it from this angle, but it is. And so I don't want it to be like you wind up on this box and then like you can't even get to the box because it's respawning. It like doesn't make sense to me. So this kill plane doesn't extend into the side of the box, but if you fall off here, if you jump off here, I still want you to respawn, but you'll just fall longer. I think that's fine. Especially since this slide should be really easy to use. I think that's basically the end of the footage. I don't know that I do anything else interesting here. But yeah, I'm just here. I'm just testing the lower kill plane. Yeah. I think I might have clicked on the wrong one first. Yeah. Okay, well, we'll be back tomorrow for part 3 of commenting over this footage. Hopefully you like this one, and I still, like, I've been uploading a lot of videos. I've gotten like 1 like. If you like or don't like, whatever, go for it. Really what I'm looking for is comments though, because I don't know if this is good or if I'm going the right direction. And so if you got to the end of the video, please let me know what you think of this video, and if you've watched other episodes of this series, what I can improve, that sort of thing. You know, I've got 28 days left of uploading a video a day, so you know, any comment you leave now is gonna make the next 28 videos, and anything I make after that just so much better. So yeah. If you have any ideas, if you think something's not working, if you think that I've done something wrong in editing, let me know and I'll do my best to fix it. Alright, thanks so much for watching.